Welcome back to Biker's Choice. Today, we're diving into the pinnacle of luxury on wheels with our detailed review of the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome. If you're dreaming of hitting the open road without sacrificing the opulence of a five-star resort, this beast is designed just for you. Imagine a rolling palace that combines Maybach's legendary craftsmanship with the freedom of an RV lifestyle. We'll cover everything from its stunning exterior to the lavish interior, powerhouse performance, and of course, the eye-watering price tag. Let's get started. First off, the exterior of this 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome screams sophistication and presence. Built on an extended Mercedes chassis, it stretches over 12 meters in length and stands nearly 4 meters tall, making it a commanding figure on any highway or campsite. The front fascia is dominated by the signature Maybach grille, featuring those iconic vertical chrome slats that catch the light like a diamond. Flanking it are advanced LED matrix headlights that not only illuminate the road with precision but can project symbols and warnings onto the pavement for added safety. The body lines are sleek and aerodynamic, with subtle curves that give it a yacht-like elegance, blending grace with raw power. You'll find a custom two-tone paint scheme as standard, often in classic Maybach colors like deep black over silver, with hand-applied pinstripes for that extra touch of exclusivity. Massive 22-inch forged alloy wheels, or optional 24-inch ones, are wrapped in high-performance tires and paired with adaptive air suspension that smooths out every bump. Around the sides, panoramic tinted windows provide privacy while flooding the interior with natural light, and there are flush-mounted doors that glide open effortlessly. Don't miss the retractable awnings that extend to create shaded outdoor lounges, complete with ambient underglow lighting for nighttime glamour. At the rear, chrome-trimmed tail lamps with Maybach badging tie it all together, along with aerodynamic roof spoilers and concealed storage compartments for gear. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement of ultimate luxury that turns heads wherever it goes. Moving inside, the interior of the 2026 Maybach Motorhome is where the magic truly happens. It's like stepping into a high-end penthouse suite on wheels. Every surface is crafted with premium materials. Hand-stitched Napa leather covers the seats, accented by open-pore wood trims from sustainable sources and customizable ambient LED lighting with 64 color options. The layout is divided into distinct zones for maximum comfort and functionality. Up front, the driver's cockpit features a massive 56-inch MBUX hyperscreen that spans the dashboard, integrating navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls with voice and gesture commands. It's powered by the latest AI, so you can say things like, set the mood to relaxing, and watch the lights dim while a custom Maybach scent diffuses through the air. The main living area is spacious, with an L-shaped lounge that seats up to 8, each spot equipped with heating, ventilation, and massage functions for long-haul comfort. A retractable 75-inch OLED TV emerges from the wall, paired with a Burmester surround sound system that delivers concert-quality audio. Hidden behind panels is a minibar stocked with crystal glassware and dual-zone wine coolers. The kitchen is a chef's dream, boasting marble countertops, an induction cooktop, a smart fridge with voice-activated inventory, and high-end appliances like a built-in espresso machine. Adjacent is a dining table for 6 that can convert into a workspace or gaming hub with integrated charging ports. Toward the rear, the master bedroom offers a king-size memory foam bed under a panoramic skylight, complete with blackout blinds and built-in speakers for bedtime stories or music. The ensuite bathroom rivals a spa, featuring a rainfall shower with multiple jets, heated marble flooring, a smart toilet with bidet functions, and anti-fog mirrors. Soundproofed walls and individual climate zones ensure peace and quiet, no matter the weather outside. Tech-wise, there's full smart home integration, including a 5G hotspot, satellite internet, and automated blinds. Storage is abundant, with clever compartments for everything from clothes to adventure gear. This interior isn't just luxurious, it's intuitive, making every journey feel like a vacation in itself. Now, let's talk performance, because this Maybach Motorhome isn't just about looks, it's engineered to deliver a thrilling drive. Under the hood, you'll find a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine paired with a mild hybrid system, pumping out over 560 horsepower and 600 lb-ft of torque. The EQ boost adds extra punch for overtaking, while enabling short bursts of electric-only driving for silent, emission-free operation around campsites. Power is sent through a smooth 9G electronic automatic transmission to Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, ensuring traction on everything from slick roads to gravel paths. Despite its massive size, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.9 seconds, which is astonishing for something this heavy. The adaptive Ermatic suspension constantly adjusts to road conditions, providing a limousine-like ride that's quiet and controlled, with minimal body roll in corners. Rear axle steering makes tight maneuvers and parking a breeze, even in urban areas. Advanced driver assistance systems are standard, including lane centering, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, and a 360-degree camera array that gives you bird's-eye views for effortless navigation. Noise insulation is top-notch, blocking out wind and road hum so you can enjoy conversations or music without distraction. Fuel efficiency is impressive for the class, thanks to the hybrid tech, averaging around 15 to 18 miles per gallon on highways, and regenerative braking helps recharge the battery on descents. Whether you're cruising cross-country or tackling mountain passes, this motorhome performs with the poise and power you'd expect from Maybach, blending efficiency with exhilaration. Finally, on to the pricing, which positions this as an ultra-exclusive vehicle for the elite. The base model of the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome starts at around $1.2 million, but that's just the entry point. With customizations like upgraded materials, additional tech packages, or bespoke features such as a rooftop terrace or enhanced off-road capabilities, prices can easily climb to $1.4 million or even surpass $2 million for fully loaded versions. Production is limited to a few hundred units per year, so expect waitlists and potential markups from dealers. Financing options through Mercedes are available, but this is definitely an investment for those who view travel as an extension of their luxurious lifestyle. Compared to competitors like Custom Airstreams or Prevost coaches, the Maybach stands out for its integrated engineering and brand prestige, justifying the premium cost. That's our in-depth look at the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome here on Biker's Choice. If this rolling mansion has you rethinking your next adventure, hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and drop a comment below. Would you splurge on this luxury beast? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride. Safe travels.